you guys, back with another one. So, taking down my hair, all that. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias and make sure you subscribe. Anyways, so now I'm parting my hair, obviously, struggling a little bit. Usually, that's just how it goes. Please make sure that when you're doing this that you use everything that I just showed, including a Denman brush, which I'm going to use later. But yeah, now I'm just sectioning my hair off, and yep.
It's not for me to say you love.
The Denman brush is used so I'm making sure everything's clumped together.
You love. Go with the brothers, you know how we do. It's
Alright, so I'm just showing you guys one more time how I twist it and everything like that, so you can get a close-up. So I already Denman brushed it and now I'm twisting it up. If you're wondering, I got this scarf from Walmart, pretty cheap, and it soaks up all the water and stuff, which I really like. And also, just to be sure, if it makes you feel better, I usually just pull down my twists a little bit so they're not like extra shrunken, even though it's going to happen anyway, but it's just for my satisfaction.
you love. It's not for me to say.
Okay, so now the twists are done. I left them in for 2 days, you know, because there's nothing to do, and I just didn't want them wet at all. So make sure that when you're taking them out, you use some type of oil. And I showed the one I used, it's pretty good, just to eliminate frizz.
It's not for me to say.
Okay, so last thing, I'm gonna be using a blow dryer so then I can get my length somewhat back. You can also band it. You can look that up if you want, or if you want me to show you, I can. Just let me know down below. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to get it back, and make sure you use heat protectant beforehand so you're not, just for the extra step. Also, make sure that your blow dryer is on warm heat.
You love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, you know how we do. It's
Alright, so this is after I separated and everything. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.